morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on our second part review of the smartwatch, the Y68 Smartwatch. This time, we're going to take a look at the menus of the smartwatch. Let's try to check what are the functions included in the device, what are the features, and ways on how to operate the smartwatch. But before that, again, let's take a look at the features and the specifications of the smartwatch. Again, so it states on most of, not most, but some of the product page of the Y68 smartwatch. It says that it has an aluminum alloy, but I don't think so. It feels more like it's a plastic, a PC material. Okay, so we have here a TPU strap. Okay, 1.3-inch IPS color screen. We have a Bluetooth 4.0 and an IP67 waterproof rating. It has the direct USB charging. As you can see here, let me show you where. So this is the direct USB charging. Okay, so you don't need an extra cable to charge your smartwatch, just a USB port. Okay, so let's try and check the menus and the functions included in the smartwatch. Again, we have a 1.3-inch IPS LCD here. I think we have a 240 by 240 pixel resolution. So there's no physical button here, as you can see. So I guess to activate the smartwatch, you have to long press the touch button here. Again, check. So we have here the Fit Pro smartwatch. Okay, that was a fast boot up. So far so good. As you can see here, color screen display, bright and sharp. The black background is very black, as well as the white color is very white also. So as you can see here, there's no blurry. We have here the battery, the steps. Although there's already steps here, although we didn't use it, maybe during their test, I don't know. We have a calorie and distance counter here in the day. So to navigate, so as you can see, there's no touchscreen support, but only touch button key here. I guess tap on this. So we have here the steps, the BPM, we have the sports, we have the message here, and settings. Okay, so that's it. That's the main menu for the Y68 smartwatch. For the steps, long press to activate, I guess. So we have here the calorie, the distance, the steps. Okay. Okay, long press again to go back to the main menu. We have here the heart rate monitoring here. For the sports, let's check if there are other included sports function in smartwatch. Again, let's check. So we have the running, sit up, and skipping rope. So we have at least 3 sports monitoring. Again, let's check. Long press. We have the run, long press to activate. So we have the time, calorie. Okay, so it records the time as well as the calorie. Okay, long press to go back to main menu. We have the sit up, we have the skipping rope. Okay, so we have the message, long press. Let's see if there's an option to read. So you have the option here to read the message notifications. Okay, next, long press to go back. We have the settings here, long press again. And let's go back. Okay, long press. So we have here remote camera function. Okay, I guess this is the anti-lost. Okay, a fine phone feature here. Okay, very short screen display. I guess we can set it on the support app. We have a theme, reset. We have the QR code for the support app, and we have the shutdown. Again, let's go back. Let's check about the theme. So the theme, I think, is the watch face. Okay, again, so very simple menu. Okay, so we have here the watch face. Let's try it again. Okay, how many watch face? I don't know if the simple menu, but very hard to activate some of the functions here. That's it. Let's check. Okay, so we have activated the watch face. I like this one much better. We have here the heart rate. Okay, the calorie, the steps, the time. It has a lot of details and much more professional looking compared to the default watch face. So that's the menu for and the functions available in the Y68 Smartwatch. Okay, there's a new version for this one, the D20. I don't know if they are just the same smartwatch or there's an upgraded or added features for the D20. So far, when it comes to looks, it is just the same smartwatch, I think. Okay, so again, let's take a look at the menus. Steps, we have here the heart rate, the sports monitoring. We have at least 3 sports monitoring here. The steps, or the running, the sit-up. Okay, we have the message notifications here with the option to read the messages, and we have the settings. For the settings, we have watch face, define your phone, shutdown, reset, the Bluetooth camera here. Okay, and a QR code. Okay, so very simple smartwatch, very simple functionality, but of course it is very affordable also. If you just need a smartwatch that tells time as well as with a step tracking and you don't want to spend too much, I guess this one is okay. I just don't know if how accurate the step tracking for this one, but so far I think just the price is just right for the smartwatch. Okay, not too fancy, not too flashy, just a simple device to check time, to provide information on time as well as your daily activity. So that is your Y68 smartwatch. Again, you can buy this on almost tech shopping store for just less than $5. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries. Okay, watch out for our second or third video review of the smartwatch. Okay, steps on how to install the support app, the Fit Pro app for Android platform. Watch out also for our iOS platform. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com. Bye.